Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be baking a strawberry shortcake. So firstly, I'm separating the egg white from the egg yolk. Yeah, that was a bit of a hard task to do, but see what I mean? Some of the egg yolk fell into the egg white, so I had to take it out. Oh yeah, so that's vanilla essence that I'm mixing with egg yolk. Mix it up. Okay, set it aside. On another plate, some sugar. In the meantime, I'm making the meringue and pouring in the sugar gradually. Okay, now doing the fall test, or whatever you call it, and I am mixing in the egg yolk mixture with the egg white or the meringue. Oh, look at that color. Such a... never mind, nothing. Okay, now it's time for the other dry ingredients such as flour. Yeah, it's just flour, sorry, it's just flour. I used all-purpose flour because I didn't have cake flour, so I had to use like 1 teaspoon of baking powder with it. Now I'm mixing the flour with the egg. We have to be very careful when doing this apparently, because if you just mix it however you want, it's not going to be fluffy anymore. It's gonna be flat, so you have to mix it from the bottom to up. I'm combining milk and oil and mixing some of the batter with the milk oil thingy. And then this will go into the actual batter. And now here I am drawing the circle on a baking paper, baking sheet. Oh yeah, in order to make like a flat cake, I do that thing with a toothpick and also like slam the baking tray against the, whatever you call it, table. Then in goes the cake in the oven. Chopping some strawberries. Mixing in some honey because I could not be asked to make a syrup just for the strawberries. And here they are, the cake slices. I didn't film the cake, slicing the cake up because I had low battery on my phone. I'm filling in the piping bag with some of those whipped cream. Because I don't have a cake turntable, I'm just using a new chopping board, like a fresh chopping board, which I'm gonna use to decorate the cake. I genuinely don't know what the hell I was doing, honestly. I was just winging it. with my artistic instincts. I have huge respect for bakers, honestly. Like that slapping of the cake. And by the way, I was not following any specific recipe. I mean, for the sponge cake, yeah, but the rest of the recipe was just... I took inspiration from TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. But I wasn't following any specific recipe other than the sponge cake, which is the main thing. So yeah. I like the top decoration. The top bit was nice. Started around like 6ish, I think, and it's 9:49 now. I don't know how to feel about this because like there wasn't enough whipped cream. Can't be asked to make more. But yeah, this is my final look. Overall, the cake was delicious. I would definitely make it again. But next time use a bit more whipped cream so the cake is fully covered with cream. Because there wasn't enough cream and I just was so tired. But anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.